Last week I went to Srinagar and I was suggested by my friend to visit Kali Mata Mandir. Fortunately, very next morning I had chance to visit this mandir. The Hari Devi temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Devi Kali Mata.
The upper half of an idol of a deity came flowing down along the Alaknanda river and settled here. Since then, the idol is worshipped here in the form of goddess Dhari. The goddess is believed to change appearance during the day. According to local lore, the deity changes appearance from a girl to a woman and then to an old lady. The idol's lower half is located in Kalimat, where Mata is spread in Kali Roop. Kalimat is one of 108 Shakti Sthals in India. As per religious tradition, Kalimat is a place where goddess Kali killed the demon Raktavija, and after that the goddess had gone under the earth.
The large number of devotees visit the temple throughout the year. Out of the many festivals celebrated in Dhari Devi temple, the important festivals are Durga Puja and Navratri, when a special puja is organized in the temple. Best time to visit Dhari Devi temple.
The months between November and June are favorable to witness the serenity of Kalyasur, where the temple is located. Also, it is ideal to visit this place during any Hindu festival, as then it looks delightful. During summer, bright shining sun with a calm fresh air. Summer is indeed the best time to visit Kalyasur. The temperature being moderate, here ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. You can trek your way to temples and other tourist attractions for the regenerating spiritual vibe without any hindrance during summer months. Where to stay in Dhari Devi temple? Srinagar and Rudraprayag are two places which you can choose for your accommodation. From budget hotels to resorts, everything is available in these two places that are situated close to Dhari Devi temple. These destinations ensure some of the best places to stay near Dhari Devi temple that are comfortable and cater to every guest needs. The best way to reach Dhari Devi temple is via road because there are many interstate and local buses that run in a regular interval and can provide you a comfortable ride. The nearest airport is Jolly Grant, which is about 136 kilometers from the temple and is located at Dehradun. There are many buses and taxis which are regularly running between the two terminals. The nearest railheads are in Rishikesh, around 124 km from Kalyasur, and Haridwar, which is 142 km away from where this temple is located. And after getting down, here you can take a bus or a taxi to your destination. Also, the temple has a well-connected road network. It is 124 km from Rishikesh, 19 km from Rudraprayag, and 165 km from Dehradun. It also has a smooth connection to many other major and popular destinations in the state.
During monsoon, see the sky changing colors and trees showing as the rain falls on the land of Kalyasur. Starting from July and lasting till September, the monsoon in the district lets one enjoy the aroma of the soil and the liveliness rainfall brings in with a fall in temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius, as there are chances of landslides and roadblock during the monsoon. all the devotees are advised to check the weather forecast before planning a vacation in the season. In winter, get the chance to hold snow in your hands, as the district is something not to miss in the winter season. Carry your warm clothes as it gets very cold in Kalesur from December to nearing the end of the February.